So I told her that I'm one stupid and you are second stupid. Now we all both are stupid girl that we all, and now you are third one.
Yeah. मेरा चैनल है इंग्लिश विद मेघा और लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा और कमेंट करना तो बिल्कुल बिल्कुल भी मत भूलिएगा। नमस्ते।
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. And you?
I'm also good.
Okay, yeah, you wrote that you are very excited.
Yeah. Yeah, I seen so many videos in YouTube. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
yeah, I'm trying to reach you and finally.
You got me. Okay, Abhilasha.
So
So I know your name, but I would like to know about you more. So would you like to introduce yourself?
yeah, mm, I'm Abhilasha, as you know, and my nickname is Payal.
Payal. Okay.
So yeah. Okay. Basically, I'm from Odisha, but currently I'm staying in Bangalore.
Okay. Alright. And
Uh,
where?
I I did my MBA in HR in Utkal University, Bhubaneswar.
Mm-hmm.
After after that, I have done I have worked with a job into IT technology in a MNC company. Mm, After that, I left the job because of some personal problem, and I got married last year.
Okay. And this is your personal problem, I must say.
No.
I'm just kidding.
Actually,
I'm just
my actually my husband's job in Bangalore.
mm-hmm.
So my job in Bhubaneswar. So we just and that company I also 3 years I worked there. So I thought that okay, I leave that job because there is no opportunity to grow up. So that's why I'm left the job, and yeah, obviously marriage is also a cause.
So when you got married, before this pandemic or during this pandemic?
Yeah, no, before this pandemic, on 2020, 31st January.
2020. Okay.
Yes,
Just
yeah.
before this pandemic happened. Okay, Abhilash, and your hobbies?
My hobby is singing, dancing, and making cookies, bakery items. Actually, I did also a bakery course in IHM. So yeah,
Oh,
I know a little bit about that.
okay, okay. I only know only one cake, how to bake cake. That's it. Other than that, I don't know anything else about baking. And I feel that it is very time consuming process. I mean, if I want to bake any cake, so it takes time. I mean, 1 hour at least minimum. And for eating, it will take only 1 or 2 minutes, and whole cake is like invisible.
Over.
Over, yes. So I don't find any I mean interesting anymore to baking. So I would prefer to buy cake and just eat cake. Yeah,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Okay,
So
may I know about yourself?
yes, of course. So my name is Megha, as you know, and I'm from Chhattisgarh. I'm a teacher. I teach in primary school. I'm a government teacher, and I'm running YouTube as well. Yeah, apart from that, singing, humming, listening to music, gardening, cooking, and playing badminton, traveling, walking. These are my hobbies. Yes.
Yeah, oh, nice.
And if I talk
Okay.
about cooking, so I don't like that I want to prepare everyday new dishes, but I would like to prepare those items or those dishes which I like to eat, like simple sabji, you know.
Are
So
you vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
uh, I can say myself as a vegetarian, but I eat egg. So basically, so in this
Okay,
term, I'm
vegetarian.
vegetarian. Yes. Other than
Okay.
I don't eat non-veg. Yeah, I only eat egg. Yes, and you?
Okay, okay. I'm non-vegetarian.
So okay,
Yeah, I said you, I told you na that my hometown is the border of Chhattisgarh.
yes, yes, yes. Yeah, we are neighbors, right?
So yeah, yeah. I've been there. Uh, like Chitrakoot.
Chitrakoot waterfall and
Yeah,
Tirathgarh, right?
Tirathgarh. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So
I
how
went
you?
there last 3 or 4 months before. I been there
Okay, recently, yeah, you mean.
recently. Yeah,
Okay, so how was the whole beauty over there, whole scene and
yeah.
scenic beauty?
They're enjoying a lot there.
So, okay, now let's come to English, okay? Because of English, we both are here, right? So,
Right.
yeah, please tell me that what are the difficulties you find during speaking?
Yeah, when I speaking to my friends, family, or who that I'm close with the person, I'm like, okay, this is okay to conversation. Okay, when I give an interview, like someone call me, I am I talking to Abhilasha? I'm from this company, that company. So I felt like what
Nervous.
I said. That time I just nervous, and that time I my mind is blank. So that
Close
is
friend.
my, yeah, that is my very weak point about that.
Yes, yes. On telephonic interviews, and nowadays
Yeah,
everybody has these kind of interviews, right? Telephonic
yeah,
interviews.
yeah,
I feel that you don't have much exposure. You are not doing your practices, speaking practices. There, that's why you have these feelings. I mean, hesitation because you can
yeah,
speak
right.
very well, but you have that fearness inside of you of talking strangers, of talking new people, right? So how can you overcome
Yeah,
with these
yeah,
feelings? So for that, you have to talk with new people, different people, right? So this
yeah,
is how
right.
you can overcome with these feelings. Yeah, I also
Yeah,
went through this kind of feelings. When was, I mean, when I started my journey, I was kind of person like introvert kind of person earlier, and I also had that kind of fearness inside of my heart. I couldn't be friendly with somebody easily because
yeah,
of my own mindset, I can say, or my own flaws, or my own low confidence, because I
self
felt
consciousness.
that someone is better than me, someone can speak very well. I thought like that earlier, and because of these things felt
Yeah,
very
yeah,
low.
right.
Then I realized these problems, that I am facing this kind of problems and I need to face it. I cannot hide myself. I need to face it, right? No
Yeah,
matter
yeah,
what. Maybe
right, right.
earlier I would get stuck, but through practice you can do anything. You can achieve anything. You can overcome with
Yeah,
your, I mean, negative feelings, I must say. So yeah, then
right,
started.
right.
I joined different platforms just because I joined Cambly English platform. Just get rid of this fear talking of strangers. So I talked with different foreigners, and I found them very friendly. So then I came to know that this is my fear. No one is like here to make me
Yeah,
feel bad. This is only my feeling, and I need to deal with myself. Nobody can do
yeah,
anything with this feeling. I'm the only one who can deal with it.
right.
Yeah, this is my suggestion for you. Just give exposure to yourself. Talk with different people, new people, so that you can be more familiar, that how can you talk with the new people, stranger people, how can you communicate, how can you put your thoughts, your opinion.
Last 2 to 3 months. I last year, after my marriage or after that job that
Mhm.
I did, that time I never felt like, yeah, I have
Improve.
to improve my communication. I never felt like that, because in Odisha, every people using our local language, and we are comfortable that.
With
But
native language.
now when I yeah now when I came to Bangalore, I just thought that every South Indian people are using English, like delivery boys to sweeper to everyone using English. Yeah.
Okay.
So that time I just realized that no, I have to practice English,
Yes, yes.
fluently. Yeah. So that time I felt like that, and I just improving myself. So I joined also Camly. And now, yeah, I just, when my father called me, like every day he called me, so I told my father that, Papa, you just talk with me in English. Yeah. So
Okay.
my father also yeah, my father also talk with me in English. My sister also talk with me in English.
Okay. Now everybody
So
helps you to
yeah,
improve your English in your family.
yeah, yeah.
That is good. Good
So
initiative. Yes, yes.
yeah. So after that I gave 2 to 3 interview, and I click a interview. So now I little bit confident about myself that yeah, I can do.
Yes, you can do. There is no doubt. We can do by with our efforts, with our hard work. There is
Yeah,
no one can stop us to doing something which we really want to do.
yeah,
But with practice, you can do better things in your life, right?
right, right,
The
right.
one thing I can do for you, like you said that you are doing your practices with your father, with your sister, with yourself. So I have a female group as well, WhatsApp group, and you can join that group and you can talk on daily basis according to your time slot. I mean
Yeah,
your preferable time. And I suggest that if you are free at right now, so you can organize this kind of Zoom session, Google Meet session, and you can invite other girls, and you can choose some topic and tell them that I can we today we are going to talk about this topic, so just prepare. And this is how you can build your communication skill.
yeah, right, right.
You will help, you will get help definitely, I must say, from that group.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Okay, one more thing, this is kind of hilarious thing I'm going to ask you. Do you do practice with your husband as well?
Yeah, I also practice with him. He always he always talk me like, what you say? You just going mad. Are you mad? So I told him one day, if you and me together in that house, there is no one. Huh?
Huh.
So I always told him, yeah, please, you can talk with me in English, because when he talk with me English, then he also started to talking with me
Talking
in
with you.
English
Yes. It
nowadays.
is very difficult to talk
Yeah,
in another language once we are habitual with our native language and we don't find that
yeah,
emotions, that feelings, right? It seems like,
yeah,
oh my
right.
God, we are doing some kind of work during our conversation. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
I can
And
understand.
when if the front person is, I know that he know Odia. Okay, so
Yes.
I just felt, okay, he know Odia, I know Odia, so
Yes.
why I can
Why
I
we
use
should talk
English?
in English? Yes.
Yeah, right.
I
So
understand.
that is the problem.
Yes, yes, I can understand.
I always pushing myself,
Yes,
like,
yes, yes.
I have to do, I have to improve, like I'm always putting myself.
This is like
Well,
a
some,
very nice
yeah,
attitude towards learning. If somebody really want to learn English or anything, not English, you have to indulge yourself completely. Like you are not like just one day you are like very excited and you say now I'm going to do this, these things, that things, and a second day you are like, okay, now I'm done. Okay, so
Yeah,
nobody can
right.
improve in their life with this approach. So if you have this approach, so it will help you a lot, I must say.
Yeah, right.
I must say that you are very sweet kind of person. I enjoyed a lot, and I
Thank you so
feel
much.
happy. During our conversation and watching you, you're like a sweet kind of person, and you also have smiley face. You carry a smiley
Yeah.
face all time, so I feel glad to talk with you because I'm the only one who smile, yeah, who smile
Yeah,
every day.
I'm always seeing your smile. When I seen your videos, that time I also seen your smile actually.
Yeah, now I find today
Yeah, you
itself
have a
I find
cute
two
smile.
girls. Before you, I got another girl. She also has smiling face. So I told her that I'm one stupid and you are second stupid. Now we all both are stupid girl. That we are smiling here full time, and now you are third one.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but frankly speaking, I love to talk with those people who have smile on their face. Automatically, I feel happy. I don't make it like I need to make environment
Yeah, yeah.
lighten up. Right? Bye bye. Take care.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Nice to talk with you.
Same here, dear. Same here.